Hello everyone, welcome to another class of NCERT solutions. This video is continuation of my last video, that was 4.3 I was discussing, and 4.3 some of the questions were left. So up to question number 4 we have done, and we are left with 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So let us start our questions now. I hope everything is audible and visible. Yes. So in this video, we will be starting from question number 5. Question number 5 says that in a class test, the sum of Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is, so sum, that is maths plus English, is how much? That is 30 degree. Okay, 30 marks. Okay. Then they say that had she got 2 marks more in maths and 3 marks less in English, their product would have been 210. So 2 marks more in maths, that means m plus 2, and 3 marks less in English, so that is English minus 3, right? Now 2 marks more in maths, 3 marks more in 3 marks less in English will make the product of these 2 marks. So we will be multiplying these two. Product will be 210. If you can clearly see, I have used linear equation in 2 variable here. Not linear equation, but I have used 2 variables here. So what I need to do here, I just have to use the substitution process to make this equation in one single variable. So just find the value of E from here. That will be 30 minus m. Okay, find the value of E from the first equation and put it here. So it will be this one. Understood? So this is my final equation. I hope you have understood. And the another method, actually it's not a method, it's just an approach. Okay, where you will write that let one of the marks, let marks in maths will be x, and marks in English will be 30 minus x. Now where this 30 minus x came from? This is the logic. Okay, this is the logic where 30 minus x came from. So you will write like this, and then you'll find this equation by directly subtracting and adding 2 and 3 respectively, and multiplying. The product is given 210, right? So by directly multiplying 200, by directly multiplying this given situation, we will write it as 210. So it is exactly same, just the approach is different. Okay, here I have not taken any x, here I have not taken any single variable. I have taken 2 variables, m and e. Okay, marks obtained in mathematics is m and marks obtained in English is e, and I have done this with 2 variable only. Then I have replaced it. So जैसे मैंने first question में first exercise में कहा था, when you are confused whether the question is from 2 variable or 1 variable, that is quadratic equation, you just go with whatever your heart is saying. Okay, when you have done a lot of practice, then your answer will be correct, no doubt. The approach doesn't matter. In both the approach, it is not that this one is easy, this one is hard. There's nothing like that. Just do whatever is the statement saying. The statement saying the sum is 30, so I have written the sum is 30. Simple. Whether you write it in this way, that the sum is 30, or in this way, this is also meaning the same thing only. The sum is 30, that is why one is x and another is 30 minus x. Understood? So after that, this will be easily here 27, and here 27m minus m square plus 54 minus 2m. Okay, clear? m square minus 25m plus 156. Is it correct? Please check, students. Is it correct or not? Please check it, students. Okay, after this you can do the solution. Please check it if it's correct or not. Please comment. I am moving on to question number 6. Question number 6. It is said that the diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side if the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side. So everything is compared with the shorter side only. So this is a rectangle. You don't have to draw the rectangle. You just write the statement part here. Okay. And this is the diagonal. Since this is the shortest side, so I will take it as x because every statement is given with the shorter side only. So the longer side. No, first the diagonal. Diagonal is 60 meter longer than the shorter side. So this is diagonal. This is x plus 60. Understood? And this one is the longer side, which is x plus 30. So which property we will be using it here? Please comment, students. Can anyone comment which property will be using it here? So we will be using Pythagoras theorem here. This is nothing but a rectangle, so 90 degrees there, and when we square them and add them, we will get the diagonal, or we can say hypotenuse, like this. Understood? Understood or not? Anyone got this answer? Please comment. I've asked you to solve this. And this one will be x squared plus 60x plus 900 x squared plus 120x plus 3600. That will be x squared minus 60x minus 270, 2700. Right? So this is our required equation. Yes, it is correct. Nobody have got this answer? This will be 17 and 18. Okay. No, this will be 13 and 12. Okay, please check the answer. Answer is not important. The main thing is, answer is also important, but the main thing is equation. If your equation is correct, then answer will be correct in repeated calculation if some calculation mistake is there. And here, what will be the answer? When I'll just directly put it in the quadratic formula. That will be 60 plus minus root over 600 minus 4ac, minus 4 into 8 to see, a is 1, c is minus, so this will be 4, this will be plus 4 into 27. Okay, it is just that calculation is little bit longer. There should not be any problem, right? because after adding this we will get 14400 root, which is nothing but 12. So since x is a side, so we cannot have a negative answer. So the positive one we will take 90. Okay, 90, x is 90. So this one will be 90 plus 60. This one will be 90 plus 30. I hope you have understood this part. See, calculation करने जाने से बहुत लंबा पड़ जाता है वीडियो. Otherwise, calculation में गलती होने का chances सिर्फ इतना ही है कि calculation mistake. Calculation mistake के सिवाय तो कुछ गलती होना नहीं चाहिए यहाँ पे. ठीक है? फिर भी अगर कुछ concept में गड़बड़ है तो बताना मुझे. Otherwise, अगर कुछ भी ये calculation mistake हो रहा है, then it's just a matter of practice. Practice करो, you'll ये प्रॉब्लम तुम्हारा सॉल्व हो जाएगा. ठीक है? Anyways, find me this answer and give me the comment. Question number 5 किसी ने भी कमेंट नहीं किया. Question number 7. The difference of square of two number is 180. The square of smaller number is 8 times the larger number. So again I am taking two variables. Okay, you can take one variable also, but I am taking two variables. X square plus difference minus y square is 180. This is what they are saying, right? 180 and also they are saying that square of first number, I mean the larger number is square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Square of the smaller number. So smaller number I have taken y because इसको आगे रखा है और positive है. So square of the smaller number is nothing but 8 times the larger number. यहाँ पे एक चीज ध्यान दो, 8 times the larger number. It's not 8 times the square of the larger number. अबे कई बच्चे 8x square लिख देते हैं, ठीक है? They are saying that square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. So 8x. Understood? Not 8x square. So just put it here and your equation will become something like this. Okay? इसको इधर भेजेंगे तो ये ऐसा हो जाएगा. Simple. 180. 180 is 9 2s are 18 10s are 18 20 18 and 10. Okay, so if nothing comes into the mind, then just go for the conventional method. 64 minus minus plus 4 into 180. $824 किसका रूट है? नहीं 784. Okay, 784 is the root of 28. बाकी कैलकुलेशन ही है, इसको करोगे तो 18 और -8 -10 आएगा. Okay, so since they have just said two numbers, they have not said rational number, irrational number, integer or natural number, so both the numbers are eligible here. x is minus, okay, x minus 10 is not eligible here because of this equation. If x is minus 8, then y will be root over minus 80. So that is not admissible here. I mean, they have not said that we can go beyond real numbers. So we will assume that numbers means real numbers, because in your class 10, after this beyond real number is not taught, right? So this is not admissible. This is not valid. So this is the answer. I hope you have understood this one. It was a simple logic, very simple logic. Difference between the squares was given, so I have created a two variable equation. Then square of the smaller number is 8 times the first number, the larger number. By using this equation, we have obtained our final quadratic equation. By solving this, we have obtained two numbers. One is negative, one is positive. Both the numbers were eligible, but as per this equation, if we put x equal to minus 10, then y will be a non-real number. So we cannot have non-real numbers in class 10 at least. Therefore, we will be cancelling this value. Okay, understood? So you have to check that whether the negative answers are admissible or not in your case. Okay, as per the question. Next, we have question number 8. So I hope question number 7 is clear. Next, question number 8. Listen to me very carefully. A train travels 360 kilometer uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 kilometer more, it would have taken 1 hour less. What is the speed of the train? See, again we have the same situation of speed equal to distance by time. Speed equal to distance by time. Here again we have distance is common. Distance is 360 kilometer. Yes. Distance is 360 kilometer. So if we find the time, and subtract this to time, I mean the difference between the old time and the new time. New time means if the speed is less than less by 5 km per hour, then we have a new time, and the original speed will give us a old time, and the difference between this time is given, that is 1 hour difference, right? So the original time will be with original speed, because time equal to speed by time, time equal to speed, distance by speed, time equal to distance by speed. So distance by speed अगर है हमारे पास original speed के हिसाब से, this will be our original time, t original, and the new time is nothing but minus, speed had been, sorry, 5 kilometer more, so it will be added. It will be added 5 kilometer more. Now you have to check. This is the new time. Now you have to check whether original time is smaller than the new time or new time is smaller than the original time. Please comment, student. Which one is smaller here? Which one will be smaller here? Obviously, if the speed is increasing, then the time will be decreasing. That is one concept you can use here. Also, if the denominator is greater, then the whole fraction is smaller. So this one is smaller. Understood? This one is smaller, and therefore we will just subtract these two, and we will get 1 as our time difference is given is 1. Understood? Please comment, student. After that, we have only the calculation part. Please comment if you have any doubt left in this question. Please comment. Understood or not? So this is the equation we have obtained. 1800. Please comment, students. Understood or not? Do I need to explain it again? Okay, let me explain it again. we have a situation in which they are saying the train is running at a speed at a uniform speed. So I have taken that speed to be x, and at this uniform speed, it have covered 360 kilometers. That means the time taken will be 360 by 8. Okay. Now, if the speed would have been increased by 5 for the same distance, what will be the new time? The time will be distance by speed again. Now, this is one time and this is another time. Now we just have to check whether which one is greater, which one is larger. Okay, and we know that the difference between the time is given as 1 hour. 1 hour less they are saying. So 1 hour is the difference between the time. So difference between them is 1 hour. So just created this one. Understood? This one will be 45 fours are 180. So 45 and 40. इसके पास प्लस होना चाहिए, इसके पास माइनस होना चाहिए, then we will change the sign and this will be our answer. So 40 km per hour is our answer. Yes or no? Yes. 40 km per hour is our answer. This is not admissible because it is speed, not velocity. Okay, if it is clear, then I'll move on to the next one. That is question number 9. Question number 9 we have two taps together can fill in 3 by 8 hours. Okay, together two taps. Tap 1 plus tap 2 in 3 by 8 hours. This is when you solve it, it will be 75 by 8. Okay, 75 by 8 hours. The tap of the larger diameter takes 10 hours less. So if tap 1 takes x hours, okay, then tap 2 takes x plus 10 hours. X minus 10 because larger diameter takes 10 hours less. So I am imagining that T2 is the larger tap and it takes x minus 10 hours. These are the time taken by taken to fill the water in the tank. Understood this part? Now we cannot add them. We cannot add directly because we don't know what is the volume of the tank. क्या ट्रेन था? पैसेंजर ट्रेन. पैसेंजर ट्रेन x पे जा रहा है, एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन जो है वो x plus 11 पे जा रहा है. Obviously यहाँ तक तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Again here we will do one thing. We will do what here? Speed equal to distance by time निकाल के distance is 132. Distance is again same because distance is constant. Both the trains are traveling the same distance. So अगर PT को पैसेंजर ट्रेन को 132 by x टाइम लग रहा है, तो एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन को लगेगा 132 by x plus 11 time. Yes or no? Obviously, since express train is faster, so it will take less time, and that time is how much less? I mean, what is the time difference here? That is 1 hour. So when we subtract this, passenger train का time minus express train का time is 1 hour. I hope you have understood. It is just like the previous question. कुछ भी change नहीं है यहाँ पे. Exactly previous question जैसा ही है. I hope you have understood. Okay, इधर जाएगा x square plus 11x equal to 1 and here 132. Okay, now x square plus 11x minus 132 into 11 कितना होगा? 2 5 4 1. Okay, 1452. Yes, correct. So this is our equation, and after putting it on the quadratic formula, we will get 33 and minus 44 as the value of x. मैं कैलकुलेशन नहीं कर रहा हूँ, दोनों ही क्वेश्चन का कैलकुलेशन थोड़ा लंबा है, ठीक है, इसका भी और इसका भी थोड़ा सा लंबा है, इसका ज्यादा लंबा है कैलकुलेशन. तो कैलकुलेशन बड़े ध्यान से करना, जितना ज्यादा कैलकुलेशन में प्रॉब्लम होगा, जितना ज्यादा लंबा होगा, उतना ज्यादा चांसेस है कि गलती हो सकता है. So I hope this is clear. Question number 9 and 10. Okay, I'm not getting any comments here, so I'm hoping that you guys are understanding. Otherwise, please comment. मैं बाद में फिर से बना दूंगा वीडियो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. If there is any problem in the video. Next, last question. I will not waste time here. The last question. Sum of the areas of the two square is given, and the difference of the perimeter. Very easy question. The last question is very easy. Just they have given sum of the areas of the two square. मैं हमेशा two variable में लेना पसंद करता हूँ. That is why I am taking it as in the two variable. It is not necessary that you will take it in two variable. Okay. The difference between the perimeter. The perimeter का formula क्या होगा? If the x square is the area of a square, then what will be its perimeter? Obviously 4x. If the y square is the area of a square, then what would be its perimeter? Obviously 4y. And I am imagining that this one is smaller, so minus. Okay, so the difference is 24. And after simplifying it, we will get this as our second equation. Now just from the second equation, we will put x equal to 6 plus y in our original first equation. Okay, so first equation means x equal to 6 plus y डाल दो, x की जगह पे 6 plus y whole square plus y square will give you 468. That is 36 plus y square plus 2, 6 are 12. Y plus y square is 468. That means 2y plus 12y, 2y square plus 12y, इधर आएगा तो 36, 2, 3, 4 minus. Yes. Again we can simplify this equation further. Y square plus 6y, and this will be 2, 1, 2. So this is my final equation. Let me check it once. Okay. 216, not 212. This is 216. So yes, it is correct. Okay. So now after solving this, we can easily calculate this one. Okay. This one is 6 ka cube, na? So 6 ka cube matlab 6, 2 into 6, 2 into 6 and 3 into 6. So 18, 18 12s are. 18 12s are this one, and 18 minus a is na. So 18 minus 18 and plus 12. Yes. Yes. So these are the two answers. X nahi hai, y निकालना है. Y. If y is this much, obviously this will be eliminated because we are finding the sides of the square, right? So x will be how much? X will be 6 plus 12. That is 18. Okay. So x will be 18 and y will be 12. I hope this is clear. Please student, give me a comment if this video was satisfactory or not from the 4.3 point of view. If you have any comment, if you have any doubt, please comment on the comment section. Okay, so I'll stop this video here itself. Yes, thank you.